Open sidebar. UK home decoration ideas. Default GPT-3.5. Introduction. Smiling. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to your YouTube channel name. I'm your name, and today, we've got something special for all you UK residents looking to spruce up your homes. We'll be sharing 5 fantastic decoration ideas that are perfect for adding a touch of charm and style to your living spaces. So, let's dive right in. Idea 1. British-inspired decor. Standing in a room with British-themed decor. First up, let's celebrate the rich heritage of the UK with British-inspired decor. Think Union Jack flags, vintage teapots, and classic London icons like Big Ben and the Red Telephone Booth. Incorporating these elements can give your home a unique and patriotic touch. Idea 2. Cozy cottage vibes. In a cozy cottage-themed room, if you're a fan of the charming English countryside, why not bring some of that warmth into your home? Create a cozy cottage atmosphere with floral prints, wooden furniture, and soft, pastel colors. Add some fairy lights for that magical touch. Idea 3. Nautical nook. In a room with nautical decor, for those living near the coast, or even if you just love the seaside, consider a nautical theme. Incorporate maritime elements like seashells, ropes, and anchors. Blue and white color schemes work perfectly to evoke that coastal feeling. Idea 4. Eclectic fusion. In a room with eclectic decor, sometimes, mixing and matching styles can create a unique and visually appealing look. In the UK, you'll find a blend of modern and vintage aesthetics. Experiment with combining different patterns, textures, and eras to create an eclectic fusion that reflects your personality. Idea 5. Garden sanctuary. Last but not least, let's not forget the love for gardens in the UK. Transform your living space into a garden sanctuary by bringing in potted plants, floral wallpapers, and botanical prints. It's a fantastic way to bring the outdoors in. And there you have it, folks. 5 wonderful decoration ideas for your home in the UK. Whether you prefer a British touch, a cozy cottage feel, a coastal vibe, an eclectic mix, or a garden sanctuary, there's something here for everyone. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your YouTube channel name for more creative inspiration. Feel free to share your thoughts and any other ideas you have in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.